Let me show you how to change bands on any Google Pixel watch. First, if you check the back of your watch, I see you have one button here near the strap. I see we can actually press it inside, and this is a strap release mechanism essentially. So what you want to do is you want to simply press in the button, and at the same time we want to push the strap sideways. So not up and down, but this from the left corner to the right. So again, while pressing the button, you simply slide your strap from the left side to the right side, like this. So this is the best way I have found how to release it. So simply grab your watch with your left hand, and using your thumb, we want to press in this button. So you see, I'm pressing in the button and holding. And then with the other hand, I want to simply slide it down, and you see it releases very easily. So again, this basically action here. And if you want to put the strap back on, again we have to actually press in the button. The best way how to do is you simply use the corner of your strap to do it. So you see, I'll simply use the very corner of the strap to push in the button here, and then simply put your strap like this, and again slide it back on. So let's repeat it. I'm pushing in the button and sliding the strap from the left to the right. Again, if I want to put it back, I will press inside the button, adjust my strap like this, and simply slide it like this. So let's repeat maybe from a different angle. So you see I'm somehow pressing the button and sliding it to the left side. And again, so using the strap, I'll put over the button. So you see, I have it over the button is pressed, and then I simply slide it from the right side to the left side back, and you see the strap locks in the place. So let's repeat it with the other one. So again, I'm holding basically with this hand, and with my thumb pressing in the button, and with the other simply like pushing it down, and you see it comes apart. And to put it back on, so again, I will simply push the very end of the strap on the button, so you see, and then slide it from the right to the left to lock it into the place. Good luck.